Yeah, we've received your deposit for the Stark Alpha. Anything else that you wanted with the bike? You want some SM Pros? Right, great. Did you see the ones you wanted on the website? Yeah, the 4-colour Splatterkote. Yeah, they're available and in stock. We can get them banged onto you as well. Excellent. But yeah, thanks for choosing Go Off-Road to purchase your Stark Varg. We'll get this ready for you now, and we'll see you in a few hours ready for collection. So we selected this bike for the customer. It's an 80 horsepower with a handbrake. You're going to get this bike onto a workshop stand, get the wheels off, and get some SM Pros fitted onto the bike for the customer. Get this bike into the workshop.
Yeah, there, mate.